Ang kalat, ang kalat. Good morning, Sunday morning, sun and shine.
Yeah, good morning.
Good morning, and guys, nakita nyo na yung ginawa ni partner. Actually guys, yan again, look at this, my god. Gumawa si partner kagabi ng cake, ngayon lang namin tinapos kasi late na. Look at the rest from the ano guys, strawberries from yesterday. Ang dami pa. Look, 'di ba? Makalat pa no kasi nag-bake nga siya kagabi. Can you put the croissant? Wait. Danke schön. Yes, and it's already 11 na pala guys, AM. Prepare ni partner yung cake. Ibabalik yan sa freezer. Sa fridge kasi mamaya namin yung kainin with coffee. Maaga pa kasi, maaga pa tapos cake. Later. Pero excited na si partner guys. Hindi siya nakatulog kagabi. So, hindi siya nakatulog. Yeah, right? You did not sleep yesterday because you were dreaming of your cake. Yeah, and then we have so many strawberry leftovers. We will do later again strawberry milkshake.
Yep, and strawberry yogurt.
Strawberry yogurt. Yes, and what kind of cake is that? Strawberry quark.
Yeah.
It's ano guys, something like cheese cream with cream and mix then with ano pa, with may strawberry pa yan sa loob, yung naka-slice na. And
Danke schön, dass du mir geholfen hast.
Yes, yun lang ang ginawa ko kagabi. Yung nag-slice lang ako ng maliliit na strawberry. Yeah, yung strawberry pala doon sa ibabaw, yung nag-ground. Ako gumawa. Tapos sa chocolates, nilagyan niya lang ng chocolates. Parang my birthday, no? Who has birthday today? Yeah, so ayun guys. Ang sakit ng ano namin, yung paa. That's the last croissant. Yeah. Okay, croissant. Egal. So, yan yung last na bili namin sa Strasbourg, guys. Dalawa na lang. Tapos, kakainin ko today. Ayaw niya, so ako na lang nakakain.
With butter and strawberry?
No, I will eat plain.
Oh.
I have coffee there. You made coffee already. So, ayun. Hintayin lang natin yung ma-deliver yung ating croissant. Or, I don't know, croissant. Mas madali yun. Dito lang muna tayo sa ating tambayan ni RC. I have already my coffee. Charot. Guys, ang ganda ng panahon, di ba? Pero hindi tayo lalabas today. You know, kahapon, di ba? Grabe yung init, But enjoy naman. Enjoy siya, guys. Na-enjoy talaga kami kahit na ngayon, na-feel na namin yung sakit ng yung likod, yung sa may, tawag doon, sa thigh namin. Pagdating namin kahapon, guys, actually, naligo ako. Hindi actually naligo. I mean, nag-half bath ako kasi ang kate-kate. Ang dami kayang mga doon, di ba? Tapos, kumain ako direct early dinner. Tapos, prepare ni partner yung cake. Oh, thank you. Okay. Look at this, guys. Thank you. Kaya hindi natuloy yung vlog namin after nung strawberry picking. But today, bahay lang talaga. And then, we will just enjoy. It's Sunday and hindi din ako maglilinis kasi I think naglinis ako kahapon guys after pagdating namin galing kasi may pa ako. Naglinis ako, vacuum lang naman. Kuha lang ng konting alikabok kasi hindi naman masyado makalat yung bahay. Ang makalat lang is yung mga, look at this, yung may mga nasa lamesa, mga ganyan lang naman, 'di ba? Hindi naman siya masyado kalat. Our day for today is strawberry day, 'di ba? ganon lang siya. Ayan, look at our cake, guys. It's so beautiful. And it's time for cake and coffee. Guys, naglinis ako kanina sa bathroom kaya hindi ako masyado nag-vlog. Dineliver pa talaga niya yung cake, yung coffee ko. Thank you very much. Look at naman, diba? How beautiful. Thank you. Guten appetit. This is our lunch. Yes! Di ba ang beautiful? Oh, char kayo, no? Gawa to ni partner, especially. So, kain na muna tayo, guys. Kakatapos ko lang kasing maglinis ng bathroom namin. It's like ice cream. Parang siyang ice cream. Oh! Natanggal pa talaga. Ja, schmeckt gut. With coffee, tamang-tama talaga. Yung strawberries nga pala, guys, nilinis na ni partner lahat. Kasi hindi namin nilabas sa box kagabi. Iniwan lang namin sa kitchen. Pero naka-open naman yung windows para medyo malamig. Merong nasira. Ang bilis lang talaga masira niya, guys. Mga, how many? 10? Yeah, mga about 10, guys. As in, sira talaga. Ang bilis nag-molds. We just picked them yesterday.
Yeah. You should have put it into the fridge.
Yeah. Madami pa naman natira. Until tomorrow, we will be eating strawberries. Or maybe until for the rest of the week. Next week, I mean. Sarap. Hindi ko na ito napakita kung paano niya ginawa kagabi, guys. Kasi ang kalat, nakita nyo naman yung ano, ang kalat talaga. Tapos ayaw kong mag-away kami doon. Itong base niya, guys, ang sarap. Diba? I want to eat more but after 30 minutes. Good evening, guys. Ano naman tayo today? Strawberry milkshake with pizza. Hindi kami umorder ng pizza, guys. Ano lang to? Galing lang to freezer. So, diba? As I've said, strawberry day. Partner made it. Thank you. So yun lang, guys. It's early pa pero yun lang ang ganap namin for today. It's Sunday, so
And tonight we will have strawberries again.
yeah. Kaya kami kumain early because later tonight we will have again our strawberry cake. Di ba? Ang init kasi bagong luto.
Ich hatte gerade eben aus dem japanischen Bereich, wo ist es mit dem Unterschied noch? Wieso muss denn das noch sein?